is the worst prison. When you let their intimidation and fear enter your brain, you'll not even function as a man, by the way. Because you think it's about to come. Demystify fear. That person is a human being. The Constitution gives us the right to participate, the right to speak, the right to associate, the right. We are very empowered. All power belongs to the people who shall exercise their sovereignty in accordance with the Constitution. Why are you now making a human being enter your head and your heart? Why? What we are going to do, we are going to live the reality of demystifying fear. What we are going to do, we are going to continue to encourage. What we are going to do, we are going to continue to challenge the illegal arrests and intimidations. In fact, I'm going to be camping in Noya. Before the election, their primaries, I said I was going to be camping in Koboko. That's exactly what I did. And how many of you have not had the result? How many of you have not had the result? The roadblock is not there and the gatekeeper is even not there. The gate went. Why? Because we're equally human. We are equally able. And we just need to be willing. And when we mobilize together, it will now divert the fear. We throw the fear back. Okay, we want to break that circle of comfort and offices. We're going to be digging, harvesting. There's a group actually we're going to harvest granules together with. That's where you see. These are the hands that we are going to be having conversations in practice. We are leaving the WhatsApp. It's good, but our real assignment is at the grassroots, among the communities.